You've done the classwork. You've pulled the late-night study sessions. Now, what if you could see where it all leads? At ACC, internships are your chance to test drive your career, gaining real experience, earning academic credit, and building the skills that set you apart. It's learning that doesn't stop at the classroom door. It goes beyond it. Behind it all is ACC's Office of Experiential Learning, or OEL, connecting faculty with more than 2,000 employers across Central Texas to create hands-on opportunities for students. Now, we can't promise an internship opportunity will land in your inbox, but with OEL's outreach, your instructor's support, and ACC's resources, you've got a strong team helping you find opportunities that fit your goals. So, what exactly is an internship? Think of it as a hands-on class that happens off campus. Internships are structured, educational experiences that connect classroom learning with real-world experience in your field. They're usually one semester long, paid or unpaid, and built around a learning plan where you'll apply what you've learned, gain professional skills, and work with a mentor. It's not just about clocking hours. It's about setting goals, testing your interests, and discovering what kind of career fits you best. And getting started is easier than it sounds, but it does start with you. Talk with your department chair or internship instructor to learn if your program offers internship, co-op, or practicum options, what the requirements are, and when to enroll. Make sure you reach out early, 3 to 6 months before your internship semester, so you have plenty of time to plan and prepare. And remember, you're responsible for finding your own internship, but you're not on your own. Your instructor will guide you through the process, and Career Services can help you polish your resume, write that awesome cover letter, and fine-tune your online presence. You're now ready to start applying. And while you were refining your resume, OEL was connecting your instructor with employers offering internship opportunities. When you're ready to dive in, reach out to your instructor. They'll point you towards opportunities and help you target the ones that fit your goals. So get ahead of the game by applying for internships early. Many employers recruit 1 to 2 semesters in advance. And whether you apply first or enroll first, just make sure you're registered for your program's internship course so your real-world experience counts towards your degree. So what are the benefits? Internships are more than just a resume booster. They're your sneak peek into the professional world. You'll gain hands-on experience in your field, build confidence, and make connections that could open doors down the road. You'll also earn college credit and maybe even a paycheck. For faculty, internships make learning come alive. They connect your coursework to careers, boost student engagement, and strengthen program outcomes. And OEL's got your back, offering training, resources, and employer partnerships to make it all seamless. For employers, partnering with ACC means shaping the next generation of professionals. OEL makes it easy to collaborate with ACC programs and design meaningful roles aligned with coursework. You'll meet instructor-approved students who are motivated, curious, and ready to learn. It's a simple, supportive way to grow your workforce while giving back to the community. So if you're an employer, request an intern from ACC today and start building out your talent pipeline. The ACC internship program connects students, faculty, and employers. And with support from OEL, departments can build meaningful internship opportunities across ACC. For more information, visit the internship program page or reach out to us to learn more. Start early, stay organized, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Your future career starts here.